Hey, Dr. Lancaster here. Welcome to the world of Gnostic Pneumatherapy, that path to freedom. It's a path, kind of like in ancient Greece, where the initiate went into the temple, where it was pitch black and those torches, and met with the priest and was revealed certain types of knowledge step by step, and the knowledge just kind of grew greater and greater about really who they are, just like who you are. And therefore, on this path of Gnostic Pneumatherapy, you derive much meaning, value, and purpose of yourself, your life, and what that all means to you. And that's very important, isn't it? It is for me. So join me at www.divinelifetherapy.com, and that is the doorway into the acropolis, so to speak, where Gnostic Pneumatherapy resides, your pathwork to lifetime self-discovery.